Hey viewer, I'm Matovu Benedict, pursuing bachelor's degree in information technology at Uganda Matters University. After the outbreak of COVID-19, we found that many people in our communities are facing problems of transportation means, poor health services like failure to access health conditions, accessing health facilities in time, and many of them have died simply because of that. Also, many people have lost jobs, like a border man spent a good time without working. We managed to come up with an application that can solve such problems, and one can access this system using the www.saveneedle.com as the URL, since it is a web-based application. Me as an administrator, I can just log in using my administrator password and I can get that interface. After entering that, as you can see, the lay user can make a consultations. For example, Matovu asked about living in Masaka, Chimanya, Kabonera, Chijaboni village. The contact information that asked about what causes headache. So any health worker who is accessing the system can come into consultations and get to know who asked what and responds irrespective of the question. We also have a page for health facilities, whereby we are registering health facilities that are clarified by and verified by the Ministry of Health. We register these health facilities after they submit all the requirements. For example, the license that was given to them to allow them operating. Any user who needs to know the health facilities, for example in Masaka, can just type Masaka and gets to know which health facilities and are available in Masaka, and he makes choice, select what he or she wants. After that, we also registered health workers, but these health workers must belong to a particular health facility. Each table is having a number. For example, health workers are having the number to identify them from others. If one is in need of a doctor, or if one is in Jinja and needs a health worker who resides in Jinja, can just type Jinja and gets to know who lives in Jinja, which health worker lives in Jinja, and make a contact to him such that he can get help. We are also having that for transportation agents, whereby one can type depending on the need. You are staying in Kampala and you want to know the transportation agents who can give you a lift in Kampala, just type Kampala and you get to know all those who are staying in Kampala. In case you need an ambulance and you have a patient who is seriously ill, you just type ambulance and you get to know those transportation agents that are owing ambulance who can help to provide that service to you. You can also get admitted, whereby you can ask for an admission. You are assigned the number to identify you from others. You enter your name. This number is automatically assigned in each table. You enter the health facility you want to get admitted to, your gender, the date of birth, contact information, next of kin, and the health condition. This can be done by the next of kin helping that patient. So any health worker viewing the system can just come and get to know which patient asks to get admitted to that health facility. For example, in Chirudu, health worker in Chirudu just types Chirudu and gets to know all those who asked to get admitted to Chirudu hospital and gets prepared as soon as possible. For the case of logging in, this interface is supposed to be viewed by the end users, but we as the administrators, we are also having pages which we use to register those agents. For example, if we want to register transport agents, we just type it here and we register them. If we want to register health workers, we just add them here, and after adding them, they are automatically viewed by those who are in need of them. If we want to register health facilities, we also register, but for the users who are in need of services can only make consultations and also can book admission or ask to get admitted to any health facility. That is it. Thank you for viewing. Have a nice time.